Our current facility, which is right up the street on the other side of this industrial park, is where we manufacture the tanks, and we currently mount them on commercial truck chassis. Now with the expansion, we're going to take that plant that's existing and do complete just manufacturing of the tanks. And we're going to move our mounting, where we put the tank on the commercial truck chassis, over to here. So we're actually going to end up more than quadrupling our output with completed trucks, going to a new building that has 32 truck bays. So we essentially could build 32 trucks at one time.
This expansion means a commitment from both Amthor and from the town. Having them here is a major economic boost for our town.
With this type of family, it's a business that you know is really strong, that's going to stay here, and we want to provide for them because we know that they're going to provide for us.
This community has been part of my life now for over 30 years, and it's been a second home for my family. And what the community has given us, you can never thank them. And if I could create jobs here and help this community grow, I'll do it every day of the week.
Now, 3 decades later, Amthor International is in its 3rd expansion here in this community, which is a real testimony to the community, to Pittsylvania County.
This gives us the opportunity to expand nationwide and give our customer base what they need in a quicker time frame.
It always gives me a real touch of pride to be able to look at these trucks on the highway and think, that's probably been made right there in my town.
Anytime you can have an existing business expand in your community, it's just a sign that you're doing the right things.
What's great about down here is we're an existing business, right? We've been here for a long time. It's very easy to forget about the existing businesses that have been here, to always focus on the new. Well, you don't have that down here because Pittsylvania County, the town of Gretna, everybody involved still cares about the existing businesses and want to see you grow.